guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello everyone.
Do we see who we have here? My love bug.
Yeah.
So he's the one who bought me this gem.
Yes.
I still don't know what possessed you to buy this. But I love it and I'm so grateful for it. And like I told you guys in my last video, we were going to do a swatch video. And I wanted him to be a part of it. One, because I love him, and two, because he is my caramel to my vanilla.
Yeah.
So we're going to be using this arm and this arm for the swatches.
Two completely different skin tones.
Yeah. And I want you to be honest with me on how they feel.
How they feel, or how they, like if it's smooth?
Yes. Smooth, creamy. Sometimes when you go like this with a powder, you can feel like the crunchiness if it has like texture in it.
Like gritty.
If it's not, yeah.
If it's gritty.
Yeah.
Have you had the chance of trying this yet?
No, I haven't touched it.
No?
I haven't touched it. I wanted to wait with you.
To see how it comes out on skin?
Yes. So again, guys, here's the front. It says Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on it with Willy Wonka and Charlie right here.
Now I've got to say, this packaging looks like really
Bomb.
amazing. Yes.
Bomb.
I was really surprised when I saw the video, even in person.
Yes.
Well, because one, they didn't have to go this extra. Like putting it in this little, what would you even call this, a cover?
Yeah. That's like those books that come with the covers on it and then you can take them off.
Oh, yeah.
Like, here, again, is the flipping golden ticket they put inside the palette. The palette.
Yeah, that's valid. Now, my main thing is that the actual date? Like, I know you mentioned it in your previous video, that February 1st at 10 a.m.
I think it is. And then I replayed the video last night as we were falling asleep, and it's the 1st of October.
Oh, look at that. Another thing in October.
But I'm thinking maybe the 1st of February at 10 a.m. is when this launched.
Wait a minute. No, it was 10 a.m.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah.
In the Gene Wilder, was it not February 1st?
No.
How about in the new one, the remake?
Oh, I don't know.
Because I remember them saying something on February, because Charlie Bucket's birthday. I remember something along that lines.
Yeah, but Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is the original one, yeah, and that's definitely...
Oh, yeah, I forgot the second one.
That's definitely Gene Wilder, and that's definitely...
The second one was Willy Wonka.
Yeah.
Well, those even look similar to the cover art for the book.
Yeah.
Which is amazing, because copyright and all.
So again, guys, here's the...
Oh, it looked like one cracked.
Where?
All the way in the bottom? What is that?
No, probably just my nail. There's the inside.
I gotta say, this packaging is really, really amazing.
It's so bomb. Now that you got me this, I plan on collecting all of them.
I think there was only a couple. There was only like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
And some of them are really hard to get because they sell out really, really fast.
Yeah.
I had a even better one in mind, which I'll probably get you in the future.
Yeah.
But
they're just really like good collect items.
Yes.
Like makeup's fun to collect and all, but I like that they have like a
themed.
Yeah, I like the themed stuff. All right, so we're gonna start the swatches. The first swatch we're gonna do is called Charlie Bucket. That's the light shimmery white shade that you would either put underneath the brow bone or on the inner corner of your eye. Or even on the whole eyelid, it depends what you want to do, it doesn't matter. But we'll do that on, I want to do it on me first and then you, because I know this one's going to look bomb on you and it's going to look like shit on me.
Now let's be clear, because I don't know anything about makeup. Now these are eyeshadows?
Yes.
Liquid lipsticks?
Yes.
Liquid, like...
No, this is not liquid lipstick.
There's a lot of terms in makeup that I personally don't know.
Yeah.
I think I found myself asking a couple questions.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them how it
Well, this is actually shocking.
Looks shiny almost.
Yeah, it's not doing it justice on the camera, which I figured. But in person, usually I am like whiter than white. So you cannot see light shades on me. But because there's like a shimmer to it, you can kind of see it.
In person, you can see it.
In person.
Hard's kind of making it, the camera's kind of making it hard to pick up.
Yeah. All right, well, let's try it on you.
Let's see. Let me move my bracelet out of the way. Ooh.
How's it feel?
Honestly, it just feels, I don't know what that feels like. Yeah. So this is what it looks like on me. Again, I don't know, it picks up pretty good.
It. Yeah, you can see it.
Right below my wrist there.
You can see it. That's pretty good.
I gotta say, it actually feels pretty cool.
Yeah. It felt really smooth, and it doesn't look,
I thought it was gonna be more powdery, if I'm being completely honest.
So did I, but it's not. Which is good. Moving on to its brother. This one's called Snozzberry.
Snozzberry. What part of the movie is that from?
I just remember Veruca saying it. I forget why she says it though.
Yeah, I feel like we watch this movie a lot, but we don't ever remember the terms.
Yes.
Like, what was the gum they were after? Was it gum? It was the ball you remember at the end?
No, the everlasting Gobstopper.
Gobstopper. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that is definitely
bright as hell.
You'll definitely pick that up in the camera.
Yeah. It looks like I just drew myself with a marker. But that looks really good. It's like a orangey shade.
Now let's see what this looks like on me. Oop. Yeah, that's going to be in the way. So just take it off.
Oh, you can. Feels a little different.
Yeah, this one feels a little more...
dry.
Yeah.
It's because it's a matte. But he wouldn't know, but this matte doesn't feel as dry as most mattes that I've tried.
Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing?
That's a good thing. Because usually mattes are like you see, it's like pretty blended as I did that. Like, it's not patchy at all, really. Usually when it's super, super dry, it's really, really patchy.
And that's when you have to do 2 coats. 2
Yeah.
3 passes with a swatch or
And
whatever.
sometimes that doesn't even work. So, next up is Augustus Gloop.
I gotta say it looks a lot different. That makes on the skin. That makes any sense. Wow, that one you won't.
This,
Yeah.
this you will not see.
Oh no, that's like her pigmentation. Right
Yeah, you can't even freaking see it. You probably actually won't even see it more on you.
Oh no.
So
This ain't happening. Just she put it on me. Here, let me take this off. She definitely put it on me. I could barely see it as is. Look at this, guys.
you can't see it.
It's gone. Well, now we know my skin color.
It doesn't even really show up on mine.
I can somewhat see it on yours, but on
Sort
mine
of.
it's like gone.
Yeah, no, you can't really see it at all. I'm really excited about this next line here. This is like the line of fun. We're gonna do Mike TV. That's this teal color here. This one feels a lot like Snarlsberries.
It's very powdery. I noticed when you're first putting it on your hand.
It is powdery. Like, a little bit goes a long way type of thing. Like, I shouldn't be dipping it in as much as I am. I'm thinking you don't need as much.
Yeah, this looks like the less you use, the better.
Yeah.
But that one you could definitely see on your skin.
Oh, yeah.
And it looks like you may have gone over. Oh, no. It's right above there.
Yeah, it's right.
Man, it's really blended in.
Yeah, it's blended really nice. I like that color on you.
And then that's what it looks on my skin.
A little bit harder to see on you.
Yeah, which is surprising. I thought it was going to pop.
Yeah. Next is Willy Wonka. That's the purple shade here, right in the middle. Do not look at my disgusting band-aid on my ring finger.
I'm super excited to see this one.
Ooh.
That actually looks pretty cool.
It kind of has like a gold in it.
It almost looks like a bruise, actually, now that I look at it.
Oh, that's great.
You ever want to fake a bruise? Bam! There
Yeah.
you go, you got it.
There you go. That's the Willy Wonka right there. Ooh, that looks really nice on you.
They all look really shiny. This one's particularly.
This one's like a metallic.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect word. Metallic purple.
Yep, definitely metallic purple. You can hold your arm out straight.
There we go.
And then it's right there.
Look at that.
Yep.
Pro.
Pro swatchers.
Yeah.
This one, I'm curious. I have a
Oompa Loompa?
serious feeling it's going to be patchy. Oompa Loompa right
Why do you
here.
say that?
Because it's orange.
Is orange usually a
I've
patchy
seen
color?
oranges that are like super patchy.
No, look at that.
No. It's lighter than it is in the packaging.
Yes. I think.
It's buildable.
Yeah. Is that the correct word, buildable?
Yes.
Where you have to add multiple layers?
Yeah. Right here. Definitely like a good summer
Good summer vibe.
color. Yeah, like what I just swatched on him, you can barely see. So I'm gonna put.
It's still noticeable. Definitely the Augustus Gloop.
That one you did not
Yeah,
see.
that one's completely gone in mine. I'm not sure if you guys have a good look on that one.
Yeah. You can still see it kind of.
Yeah, the camera picks it up.
Yeah. Ooh, this one's gonna be cute. Fizzy lifting drinks. This is like a New Year's Eve gold type of shade you would wear. I think this is gonna look good on both me and you.
This is gold. That's more like a yellowish, actually.
Yeah, this is actually like a yellowish.
I feel like this one even gives me more of a summer vibe than the other one.
Yeah, this is more like a, the Oompa Loompa is more like a dandelion color, and this is more like a sun type of shade. You could barely even see it on me.
Probably a natural look would be more something you would do with that.
Yeah, yeah. Like the fizzy lifting drinks and Augustus Gloop I would put together. Ooh!
This one really popped.
Yes.
Surprisingly.
This is what I want to have.
Now, is it just me that looks like gold?
That looks like gold.
More gold to me than the previous one.
Yep.
Not sure if it's picking up. Let me point at it in the camera.
Yeah.
See if,
You can see it.
yeah. Now, as you notice, we started here and we're working our way down.
Yeah.
But I feel like that one popped a lot more.
Definitely. Yeah, like it looks totally different on you than it does on me.
It's crazy how different it is considering the skin color.
Yeah. Like
you could tell that skin color makes a difference.
Yeah. Oh yeah, totally. This one is the white.
What is that?
Right in the middle. Down here. Right in the middle here. This one is Veruca Salt.
Veruca Salt. Oh.
This I would use as like a base. I don't even think you can see it. That's how white I am.
You can use
Right
these
here.
for different purposes, right? It's not just eyeliners.
Oh yeah, you can use it for whatever you want. People put eyeshadow on their lips.
Do they really?
Yeah, like if you want to add like a shimmer to your lip, if you put on like a nude lipstick, you can put this on top of it and it gives it like a gold sheen.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
No, I don't think I've seen you with lipstick. Maybe chapstick.
Yeah. Lipstick, we gotta be going somewhere like.
Fancy.
Yeah. Obviously,
No.
the white shows up super good on you right here.
All the colors showed up really well on me. The only one that really didn't was again the Augustus Gloop, but that one is like the exact skin color.
Yeah. I have to say the consistency of these is consistent, if that makes sense.
Yeah, like there's not one that's patchy.
Yeah, there's not one that's patchy or... So now we're doing Everlasting Gobstopper, which is this pink shade.
I can't wait to get to the next one after that.
Yeah. Woo!
This one definitely pops out a lot more.
Yeah, as you can see right there.
We're also running out
Hot
of
pink.
sleeve room.
I know. I have like T-Rex arms, so that doesn't freaking help me.
Now, it's good to know that this is one that she had to build upon.
Yes,
for
this one I built up a little bit. Just because it is a lighter pink.
Yeah, it's surprisingly a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. This one, I'm hype.
Yes.
This
me
one
too.
is Violet Beauregarde, and I'm sure they made this one
Violet.
look like a blueberry because it turns into a blueberry.
Violet, you're turning violet.
Violet? You're turning violet, Violet. Holy crap.
I feel like, if anything, this one's a little patchy.
Yeah.
Or this one, if you use less, it's better.
Yeah.
You definitely got in there.
Right there.
We may want to roll up this sleeve.
Right there. It's a purple shade.
Oh, I'm excited. Oh.
But on you, it doesn't look as patchy.
Mm-mm. These are almost like golden. Like they have like a shine to them.
Yeah.
I like them. I like them a lot.
Me
I
too.
feel like they get even more shiny the more you go down.
Yeah.
And now that I look back at the old ones, maybe the gold one, what was that?
That one was Fizzy Lifting Drinks.
Those are definitely shinier.
Yeah.
My favorite.
The Wonka bar. Holy smokes.
Ooh.
That's a little patchy.
Yeah, that one.
You see what I mean? How
yeah.
it's darker right here?
It's also right in your crevice too.
Yeah.
It might, we'll see what it looks like once we do it on mine. Try to avoid the...
It's actually, the more you build it, it gets more even. But on you, it doesn't do it.
Mm-mm. I think it's just a...
I think it depends on your skin, too.
Yeah,
it may not even just be the product.
Yeah, because
it
for me... It
depends on your skin, because even the swatches look totally different on you than they do.
Oh, yeah.
Me.
We'll
like,
take a picture, probably put it up on the screen of what they look like.
It'll probably be part of the thumbnail that I use.
Mm-hmm.
That way you guys can see it really close.
It just blows my mind how it looks. Like this, like if we go back to the beginning, like look at our, what were they called?
Snozberries?
Snozberries. They look completely different.
Yes.
A lot of these could look completely different on my skin tone than hers.
They look more... They look very buttery on his skin. Like they just went on smooth. Mine, they kind of look like it takes a little bit more effort. I think that your skin is also a lot more hydrated than mine. You have softer skin than I do. Like I have to lotion every freaking day. So it also depends on how dry your skin is gonna affect how the eyeshadow is gonna go on. Because that's the same thing about your foundation. If you don't put lotion and primer and whatever, and you just put like this dry face with dry skin, your foundation's just gonna seep into that and grab onto the dry skin, and you're gonna see all the patches everywhere.
Is that how it works? Because sometimes when I look at people's makeup, I see cracks.
Yep, that's
because
it's
like
dry.
Their skin. Is that why they use like that spray?
Mm-hmm.
Makes it look flush even?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So the last one of the day, golden ticket, right here at the bottom.
I'm super excited to see how this one compares to the other ones.
Ooh, I think I like that one on me. Doesn't look crazy. And it feels really smooth. Right there. It looks really nice. Ooh. I like it.
This is a, this is
That's
definitely,
a gold.
yeah, that's definitely a golden.
Yeah.
Looks
like that.
really, really good.
Yeah.
That's the yellowest one of them all.
Yeah.
Big fan, like that one a lot.
Mm-hmm. Damn, that looks really good.
That is really a big difference.
Well, guys, that was my swatch video of the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory eyeshadow palette from Storybook Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed my little guest star.
Definitely had a lot of fun recording this.
Yes. Thank you so much for being a part of it.
Learned a lot.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more and like this video. And give a comment down below if you liked my love being down here with me.
Hello.
If you liked Gonzalo in the video, put a heart emoji.
There we go. We'll know
There you go. Who stayed till the end.
Yes.
You put a heart emoji.
This is how we'll know.
Yes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.